Now gold is not in her. She's a
Hello friends, I am going to tell you 5 budget gaming laptops under 75,000. For a better performance, I recommend SSD and at least 4 GB graphics card for 60 FPS gaming. Without wasting your time, let's get started. This is Lenovo IdeaPad L340 i5 9th generation. It fulfills all basic needs for 60 FPS gaming. It comes with Intel i5 9th generation CPU, which has base clock speed 2.4 GHz and boost clock speed 4.1 GHz, which is quad-core CPU. It has dedicated GPU from Nvidia, which is GTX 1650. It has 4 GB GDDR5 graphics memory coupled with 256 SSD and 1 TB hard disk at 5400 RPM. It also has 8 GB of RAM, which is DDR4 at frequency 2400 MHz and expandable up to 16 GB. It comes with genuine Windows 10 Home. Let's talk about its display. It has 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit anti-glare IPS panel with 250 nits brightness, which is average, and it comes with 60 Hz refresh rate, which is not recommended for hardcore gamers. Let's talk about another laptop which comes from HP. This is HP Pavilion 15. It comes with i5 9th generation CPU. It has base clock of speed 2.4 GHz and boost clock frequency of 4.1 GHz combined with Nvidia GTX 1650 4 GB of graphics memory. It has 256 SSD with 1 TB hard disk at 7200 RPM. It has dual channel memory module of 8 GB of RAM. Another slot can be filled with RAM stick at frequency 2666 MHz, capable up to 32 GB. Let's talk about its display. 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit anti-glare display with 250 nits brightness at 144 Hz refresh rate and with P&O speakers module. Next laptop is Dell G3. The next laptop is from Dell. This is Dell G3 having i5 10th generation CPU, having base clock speed of frequency 2.5 GHz and boost clock frequency of 4.5 GHz combined with dedicated GPU from Nvidia. GTX 1650 has 4 GB of graphics memory with internal SSD of 256 GB and 1 TB of hard disk. It also has dual memory module, one of filled with 8 GB of RAM at frequency 2933 MHz. Dell G3 comes with 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit anti-glare display, which is IPS, with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Next laptop comes from Korean brand Acer. Nitrify comes with Intel i5 10th generation CPU, having base clock of frequency 2.5 GHz and boost clock of frequency 4.5 GHz combined with dedicated GPU 1650 from Nvidia. Let's explore internals. 256 GB of SSD is combined with 1 TB of hard disk. Dual memory module are present for better upgradation. One module is filled with 8 GB of RAM at frequency 2933 MHz, expandable up to 32 GB. Nitrify having best display in its class with Full HD LED backlit IPS display panel with 45% NTSC color gamut. I personally recommend this display for true colors. The last laptop comes from Asus TUF Gaming. Having Intel's i5 9th generation CPU, having base frequency of 2.4 GHz and boost of 4.1 GHz combined with 4 GB of graphics from Nvidia, which is 1650. Internals are filled with 512 GB of SSD, having two memory modules, at frequency 2666 MHz for better upgradation, and RAM is expandable up to 32 GB. Asus TUF having better screen refresh rate in its class of 144 Hz, which is full HD IPS display panel with 250 nits of brightness. I personally recommend for hardcore gamers to go with this machine. All the links are given below.